Hey everyone, we're going to look at the bossy silent E today, so let's jump in. That E at the end of a one-syllable word changes the vowel that's in the middle of the word. So it makes the vowels their long sound. So A, the short sound is A, but its long sound says its name. It says A, like the sound you hear in acorn. So we take a look at a word where it has that bossy silent E. So the A is not going to say A, it's not lat. Okay, in this word, it says A, so it's ate, late. So that's the long A sound. Next, we have I, saying its name, I, like in ice cream. And the word time has that bossy E, making the I say I. Next, we have O, like in the sound open. In the word home, you have that bossy silent E, so the O says O, home. Next, we have E, saying its name E, like in the word eagle. In the word these, we have that bossy silent E, making this middle E say E, the E's, these. Then we have U, making that U sound like in unicorn. The word flute has that E at the end, so the U says U, flute. Also the word cube, bossy E, U says U, cube. Okay, so again, if you see an E at the end of a one-syllable word and then a vowel in the middle, that vowel is going to say its name. It's going to say its long sound for A, I, O, E, and U. All right, thanks guys. I can't wait to hear your recordings.